I've started recording.
Living on the moon or on Mars.
Well, we actually have the alert going on right now, so your phone is going off, and we have it going on. Now it's going on, but it's not going on the station. So anyway, could you get my phone moved? It's like,
Where did you throw it?
I'm trying not to have it go over the air right now, but apparently phones are ringing. The alert is going. It's jumped by a couple of minutes. It was supposed to be 11:20. But in any case, your question was...
And I do hope so.
Yep, perfect.
This is a nationwide test of the emergency. Test. No action is required by the public. By the public.
Way.org.
The public.
I'm gonna do a scan through all of the stations one more time.
Notice at
Okay, that's it. Nationwide EAS test.